Hello and welcome to lesson number 3. In this lesson, we are going to meet two characters, Mia and Charlie. Charlie has come to meet Mia and Mia is playing a game. That game is Jungle Jake. Before we listen to the conversation, I want you to predict what Mia has to do. Before we listen to the conversation between Mia and Charlie, I want you to predict about the game. So there is a picture on the left side. There is a monkey holding a banana and Mia is going to be a monkey in that game. There is a sloth, a jaguar and a banana, a bunch of bananas. So what do you think? What Mia has to do in the game? Now read and listen to the dialogue, the conversation between Mia and Charlie to check your answer.
2. Read and listen to the dialogue to check your answer.
What are you playing?
Oh, hi, Charlie. It's a new computer game I just got. It's called Jungle Jake. It's pretty cool.
What do you have to do?
Well, you're a baby monkey called Jake. You're lost in the jungle and you're trying to find your mum.
Is that all?
Of course not. You have to do loads of other things.
Like what?
Well, you have to find other animals, like sloths and toucans, and ask them for help.
Okay, I get it.
And you have to be careful of jaguars.
Why is that?
Because they eat you, silly.
Is there anything else?
Yes. You have to find bananas to eat. They give you energy. Do you want to have a go?
No, I'm okay, thanks.
Don't you like computer games?
I like games. I just don't like bananas.
So you are going to read the text and in the given blanks, you are going to mention 3 things that Mia has to find in the game. Now listen and say these 2 words and try to understand the difference in the pronunciation.
Listen and say the words.
Cheap. Jeep. Cheap. Jeep.
You are going to use the following words given under the question and you are going to fill in the blanks. The first is Chelsea won the football. Number 2, the jeep crossed the dash to go over the river. Number 3, a dash is a brown and yellow animal. Number 4, let's dash the children's channel on TV. Number 5, the 2 sweet foods are dash and jelly. Number 6, do you enjoy another dash? Number 7, could you put the orange juice on the dash please? Number 8, the dash like Mr. Church, their new teacher. Number 9, put on your dash or you will catch a cold. Number 10, don't touch that wire, it's dash. Now you are going to listen to the statement, check your answers and give score to yourself.
Listen, check and say the sentences.
1.
Chelsea won the football match.
2.
The jeep crossed the bridge to go over the river.
3.
A giraffe is a brown and yellow animal.
Four.
Let's watch the children's channel on TV.
Five.
Two sweet foods are jam and jelly.
Six.
Do you enjoy learning another language?
Seven.
Could you put the orange juice in the fridge, please?
Eight.
The children like Mr. Church, their new teacher.
Nine.
Put on your jumper, or you'll catch a cold.
10.
Don't touch that wire. It's dangerous.